Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can use Dolphsol Macro properly. So the first thing you have to do is download AutoHotkey 1.1 version. For this, go to autohotkey.com and here you can see we have these two versions, 2.0 and 1.1. Make sure to download this 1.1 version. After that, run the setup and wait for it to start up. After that, select where you would like to install the files and then choose this option of Run Auto Hotkey once. And once that is done, go to Micro's GitHub. You will find the link in description. Now what you have to do is scroll to the bottom. In the assets section, you can see this first file, which is source code zip. Download this file. And once the file is downloaded, drag this file to the desktop. Now what you have to do is open this file and run the main AHK file as admin. Here you can change the settings to your liking and here you need to add a webhook link, and for that open the Discord and make a new server. For that you can see this plus sign in the left, click on it and click on create my own, and here you can customize the server. You can add the name and once you're done click on create, and once the server is created go to general chat setting. In the settings, click on integration and here make a new webhook. You can name it whatever you want. Once the webhook is created, copy the webhook URL. Now open up Macro and paste this link in Discord webhook, and after that click enable webhook. After that click on Discord settings and scroll down until you find advanced setting. Here you can see this option of developer mode. Make sure to toggle this on. After that click on your profile and copy the user ID. Now go back to the macro and paste it and turn on pinch. Now press the F1 key and enjoy the macro. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and please do not forget to subscribe the How To channel.